360 estimating, price sheets. Now, one of the most powerful tools that 360 estimating has is the price sheets. Now, the price sheet is a pre-done template that the user creates per manufacturer or cable type that they can automatically apply to the parts coming in from 360 takeoffs. When you're creating a scope and you put in your scope name and labor and the rest of the information, after you select which drawing you will be using, you're going to want to ask you for a price sheet. Now, if you select none, it's just going to give you the blank amount or blank equipment. But if you actually select a price sheet, it'll give you something that'll look like all the material with pricing, with part numbers, with the supplier. Everything you want in there will be already auto-populated. So all your scope is pretty much done, and the only thing you have to do is write your description. Now, to create one of these price sheets, you're going to go up to the home icon in the top left, and you're going to select it. You're going to go down to Price Sheet Manager. That will open up a price sheet pop-up window. From here, you see I have one that's called spelled in. We're going to go ahead and you would just select Add Price Sheet. Bring it in. Say you wanted to do a Uniprise price sheet for Cat 5e. Okay. So once you have that, you just select your icon, or select your name, I should say. Go into your first window and hit Add Part. From there, you're just going to select, when I have a Cat 5e solution, and I have a single faceplate, bring this into your window, and I have a single faceplate. I'm just going to select the single faceplate. I'm going to hit OK. Now, let me bring this window over and extend it a little. As you can see, it has a part folder. It has the single port faceplate. It has the part name. It has a description. It doesn't have a part number. It doesn't have manufacturer because this is what you're adding. So say we're going to add a part number of 5. The manufacturer is Uniprise. The supplier is Annixter. Price for these is $3.45 a piece. And you then add in another part that is, this is going to, it'll take a little bit just to go ahead and build these. So you'll take it and you'll build, you go to the 2-port faceplate. You'll do the same thing where you're putting in your part numbers. You can actually leave the manufacturers because you can actually just copy those down after you have done it all. And price $3.45. Say you've created all those. You also can go in, now you can go into your port connectors. You want a Cat 5e jack for the blue jacks. You're going to have this. And pretty much what this part number or parts is all the options you have in 360 takeoffs. So if you have Cat 5e blue selected, it's going to automatically, it'll come to here. For every Cat 5e blue jack that was selected, it will now replace that in the parts list with this part number, this manufacturer, this price, that description, that supplier. So you will not have to do that yourself. What this also allows you to do is, if you have one scope that is once you build these, if you have one scope, they want to know what the price is for a 5e solution. And they come back with you and say, you know what, I want to know what the Cat 6 solution will look like. Well, all you have to do is go go back in your scope window, and down here, instead of the Cat 5e, you would select Cat 6, and it would automatically populate all the materials coming in from the takeoffs with the Cat 6. And and that's it. Your scope's done. Go back down to your revisions and create a whole new scope for 6. If they wanted to change the manufacturer, same thing. Just select a whole new one. So the little bit of time it takes you in the beginning to build these parts lists for yourself is going to save you in the long run. Now, if you have any questions about this, you can go ahead and contact us at support@360takeoffs.com, or you can just view our other tutorials on the website, and you have a good day. Thank you.